we want to find the lowest common multiple of x and xy. X could be written as 1 times x. Xy can be written as 1 times x times y. If we start with xy, the lowest common multiple is 1 times x times y. Now we need to look at the x, and we already have both parts, so we don't need to add anything from here. So the lowest common multiple is 1 times x times y, which is xy. This is a similar situation to 4 and 2. The lowest common multiple for 4 and 2 is 4. Remember, 4 is equal to 2 times 2. So the lowest common multiple of 4 and 2 is just 4, and the lowest common multiple of x and xy is xy. It's a similar situation. Now let's consider y squared and y cubed. Y squared is 1 times y times y, and y cubed is 1 times y times y times y. If we start with the y cubed, the lowest common multiple will be 1 times y times y times y. And if we now look at the y squared, we have everything already here. So the lowest common multiple is going to be y cubed.